Back to the Honda. Got the engine, and mostly just wanted to find out what's happened with it after the tear down. The chain jumped off that sprocket and was spinning freely. It looks like the guide let off. I'm not sure if anyone's seen the guides for it. I've not seen them yet, but that's what happened. Removed the head, and mostly cylinder 1, cylinder 3. Yeah, cylinder 1, cylinder 3. Valves bent. These are intake valves. So mostly that's what happened. I don't know if it's worth repairing it. I just came with that engine to strip that, just because on the engine I fitted, the wrong engine was delivered to the customer, and the engine mount on Z4 is different to Z1, so mostly you've got that code R3R. That's a Civic timing cover, so I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need that engine mount. I'm gonna have to swap it over on customer's vehicle. Everything else looks right on that engine, besides the head, obviously. So I might be tempted to get it done, get it remanufactured, and mostly new valves put in, pressure test it, get a new head gasket, new bolts. Yeah, Jesus, long bolts them. And mostly that. New timing chain, and have an engine refurbished. Maybe, I don't know, not sure. Might just sell it for scrap or sell the block as it is. We'll see what happens. Yeah, quite a lot of things came off it. Most are 10 and 12mm sockets. So that's the timing cover. These bolts, I have to remove 2 bolts, 10mm on bottom of sump, and just slide that one out. I might get the seal done before fitting it to the other engine. Well, that's about that. That's what happened. That's how it broke. That's how we break a Honda engine.